Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a natural looking French nail over the top of a natural nail. We're not going to use a tip, we're going to use the fabulous Annette. So Annette has a beautiful natural nail. We are going to overlay it with acrylic. Products I'm going to use are perfect for a French nail. We have got new powders. Oh my god, this stuff is awesome. So I've got Mega White for the free edge. We've got Lunar Blush. Now we're going to do the moon with that. So this half moon here, this lunar, we are going to create that with this powder. It's a perfect colour. It's a soft white. And then we've got Glass Rose, which is a transparent pink. We're going to dehydrate the nail. I've already prepped the nail, so I have removed the surface shine with a buffer. I've pushed back the cuticles. And we're going to go in with primer. The first colour we're going to use is the Lunar Blush. Now I've got a high speed liquid in here. You can either do it with a bigger brush that you wouldn't do all your application with, or you can use a 3D brush. A 3D brush will pick up a smaller amount of product. But if you're good with a big brush, you'll still be able to pick up a small amount of product. It's entirely up to you. So that's the colour. So you can see it's a very nice colour. It's not, I wouldn't do if you did a natural nail, I'd do like a natural looking nail. Then that'd be nice on the free edge. But it's a perfect colour to go on this half moon. So we're going to pop the bead on. You want to keep it nice and thin to the cuticle. And then you want a sharper edge here. So if you're good at making 3D flowers, you'll be good at doing this as well, because it's a very similar technique.
So it's like a croissant then?
Yeah.
Not a moon.
Shut up. I was going to add a little bit more to that. And that will enhance that half moon. I think it's a nice, elegant look. It's just a shame it's on Annette's finger. So.
Oh, you took her out of her moment there. She was just chilling, weren't you?
Yeah. Annette's got a nice nail bed. It's quite pink. You know, it's not damaged or anything. So using Glass Rose over this will look beautiful, because we want to see this beautiful nail. We're not going to cover it with like warm beige or rose glow. We're going to see this natural looking nail. So you see that's the colour, so it's ever so slightly pink, but it's transparent. We're going to do reverse application method, which means we are going to pop it on and create the smile line with this bead. So you want a nice deep smile line. So use your brush to perfect your smile line. You can always file this smile line if you're not completely happy with it. You can use the metal part of the brush if you want to push even harder if you need to adjust anything. Make sure that you add a little bit in that apex area, so you want some of the glass rose over that to give you a nice apex. So if you're not happy with your smile line, just get a file and rub it round like this. And by doing so, can you see how you can see that smile line even more? Because the dust settles on the top and you can really see how sharp it is. You don't have to do this, but I know some people may struggle with the smile lines if they're new to doing nails, or if it's their sort of area that they want to improve. That's a little trick of how to get that nice and sharp. I'm going to re-wet that part. It'll help bond the colours together. So we're going to use Mega White now. That's way too big. Let's get a smaller bead than that. You're going to scrape that on the end. And then you're going to walk it up the side. So some people call this a permanent French because it's not done with gel polish, it's not done with nail polish, it's done with acrylic, so it's not going to chip away like a nail polish could. This is the point where you want to make sure everything's nice and even. And because we've done the reverse method, it doesn't matter if you go over onto this pink, because we will file that away and it will reveal the smile line. So it doesn't matter if you get it everywhere like that.
You messy person.
I love that moon. You know, some people call it a permanent French. I don't know how permanent it is. It's not like a tattoo, is it? Do you know what I mean? The acrylic will be removed at some point. That is all set. So we're going to file this. Going to do my normal filing routine, which is side walls first. Get that nice and straight. And then we'll do the cuticle area. One thing you need to be aware of when you're doing this cuticle area is you don't want to over-file that moon. You want it, yes, you want it to be nice and flush. But don't over-file it because you don't want to get rid of that colour. So when you start to contour the nail, you will then reveal that beautiful smile line. So the white and that glass rose will just meet each other perfectly. Just going to buff over the block just to smooth it out. I'm going to wipe over with acetone. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful nail. if I do say so myself. I'm going to top coat this with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Check the dust out under my nails. Oh my god. Going to finish with the pink pineapple cuticle oil. Now when you look at that half moon doesn't actually look like it's fake. We've popped that in, it's the perfect colour, it's enhanced it, it's made it a brighter, slightly brighter colour, but it still looks very natural. And this colour here, the glass rose, is perfect to create a natural French nail. And of course we've got that gorgeous mega white at the end, which just makes it look beautiful. The contrast between the white and that glass rose makes this look super sharp. Beautiful, natural looking French nail. Do you like it? Do you like it, Nat?
Yes, beautiful.
So yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed that video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. The products I've used today will be listed below, as they always are. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye. Oh, got a shake on. You see that then?
You.
Yeah. And that?
Really?
Yeah.
Did I shake?
It went like that all of a sudden. With a bit of a...
Didn't feel like I did.
She was going to pirouette. That's what it was. That's twitch muscles.
Yeah,
You know, these,
that's-
these,
The gymnast in me.
these Olympic athletes are they're just so tightly wound on that it's ready to spring.
It's
at
any given moment. So if we ever have a net back here, you'll go, oh yeah, the gymnast.
Come in with a leotard next time.
Yeah. Do us a turn.